Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you coming across an Bluetooth error message that says the device does not have Bluetooth. Bluetooth is not available on this device. Please try using an external adapter to add Bluetooth capability to this computer. Let's fix it guys. First I recommend actually making sure your computer can and will support Bluetooth. So if you don't have Bluetooth device on your computer, then you may need to go ahead and purchase an adapter, and you could have it using a USB port. For example, you just plug in and the you have Bluetooth capability. Then that's not your case. You just need to go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it guys. Click on view by two large icons and select power options. You just need to select choose what the power button do, and in here under the shutdown setting you just need to select this change setting that are currently unavailable. Click on it and you will see the option for fast startup. You just need to uncheck it for disabling it and select save changes, and that's all you have to do it guys. Now you just need to go to search menu and type services. Click on open it guys. Now in the services you just need to search for Bluetooth support service guys. You just need to double click on it and startup type set this to automatic and service status set this to start. If it is stopped, you just need to select apply and OK for save changes. Now close out of here and go to search menu and type cmd. Click run as administrator and select yes guys. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video guys. Right click on it and copy it. Tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it in guys. Press enter. This is file checking utility scan guys. Being system scan, this process will take some time. Being verification phase of system scan, this verification need to get 100% guys, so wait for it. After finishing this 100%, you just need to copy the second command the same way. You just need to copy and paste it after finishing this verification 100%. And after that you just need to go ahead and restart your PC guys after finishing these two commands, and after restarting your PC your problem will be solved guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.